You're a dumbass. I know. Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is brought to you by, once again, Lone Pine Brewing out of Portland, Maine. This is called Choco Tuesday Imperial Stout. Sitting at 8% alcohol by volume, this is an Imperial Stout brewed with chocolate, vanilla extract, waffle cones, lactose, and peanut extract. This is one of the first stouts that I do have a nice chocolatey flavoring that doesn't have that bitter dark cacao style chocolatey taste that I'm familiar with these, or any coffee resemblance, but the vanilla and the lactose really take over to give it a nice creamy mouthfeel, and you really get hints of that waffle cone in there. And I guess that's complemented by the peanut, but the peanut just gives more of a waffle cone taste. This is truly delightful as an Imperial Stout, not heavy on the alcohol burn taste since it's at 8%. So I give this a 4 out of 5. Cheers to you guys.
Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Algorand. I really don't have a lot to say because I'm stupid, but if this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video. Now, I will say, before we get into everything, next time you're going to see this beautiful mustache will be in Las Vegas. I want to keep bringing this up because we are leaving for Vegas tomorrow. We'll be there until the 27th, hosting the content for the SCP YouTube channel and bringing you content from our channel from NAB 2022. So really hope to see and meet some of you guys out there. Come say hi, have a beer. I got to set up that Discord later today so that way we can all stay in contact and know where everyone is. Now, a couple days ago, we announced that we will be giving away an NFT from World of Freight that will earn you 25 World of Freight tokens a day. And I want to go ahead and do that giveaway live while recording now. All right, so we are going to pull up the video that the requirements for the free NFT and the giveaway, where you had to leave a comment listing, I mean, you had to like and subscribe, of course. You had to list your, there's only 569 views, nice, but you had to list your favorite truck, make and model, with hashtag World of Freight, and leave your Ethereum address. So these are the rules. I'm going to pull up one of those comments with this random comment generator, and if it doesn't have that qualification, obviously we're going to search it by the hashtag World of Freight, then we will pick another winner. So we've got the comment picker here. We're going to go ahead and populate our YouTube comments. We're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to filter based on a certain text, which will be World of Freight, and then we are going to get the comments. All right, so we have 64 unique comments, so that's 64 entrants, and all we're going to do now is we're going to hit this start. It's going to pick a winner right here on the spot. We're going to make sure it qualifies and follows those instructions to a T, and if it's got the Ethereum address, we are going to send that to the World of Freight team to send you out your free NFT. So, and if it's got a truck that I haven't seen, oh, we can pull up your favorite truck as well. So let's go into Google real quick, and then let's go back here. So let's go ahead and start. Good luck. Here we go. All right, Michael Lewis, his favorite truck is a Toyota Tundra, hashtag World of Freight, and there's his Ethereum address. So congratulations to you, Michael Lewis. Let's go ahead and send that over here, and you should hopefully get your NFT here shortly. I can let you know, I can let you know, and then when it comes through, I'm going to show you how you can take a look at that in just a moment. So you want to make sure that your wallet is connected. You've got the MetaMask. You're going to be on either the Ethereum or the Polygon Matic, you know, pooper scooper. You're going to be on the Polygon / Matic or the Ethereum network. Once you're on your my MetaMask, you're going to go to Fleet up here, go to My Fleet, and then you will see it populate on this page. If you already have some NFTs, great. If this is your first one, welcome aboard. Hopefully you get a good one. I feel like I need to give a disclaimer because this was just so incredibly dumb of me. If you've been following the channel for a while, I've been hugely favoriting Algorand since November of 2020 when I first got in at about like 28 cents or 31 cents or 16 cents or something like that. I mean, it's almost 2 years ago now. And I was a big advocate for the staking and then the governance program and then all that stuff. I screwed up twice with the new governance program and with the first quarter governance program. And I'm just at a loss with how enthusiastic and strong and true I believe in Algorand that I screwed this up. So we're just going to jump over to the computer screen one more time, pull up Algorand's site, and just... All right, so let's look at dumbass decision number one. No, it wasn't really a decision. This was completely... I didn't understand what happened here. So we were going to look for our governance period number 2, which was the first quarter of 2022. And we were like, why haven't we gotten our rewards yet? The rewards were supposed to go out around April 1st, like the first week or something along those lines. And we were like, well, why haven't we gotten our rewards? So when we went to look, it said, unfortunately, we were no longer eligible for rewards because we had committed 5,000 Algo to this vote. In our Algo wallet right now, we have committed 5,000 Algo to the vote. In our Algo wallet right now, we have 5,008 Algo. So I'm not exactly sure. We've never gone under the 5,000 Algo committance level. We did have about 258 Algo in there, and we transferred 250 Algo out right around the time when it was at $1. To one of my buddies, he's got Algorand, whatever. But it said this account did not vote for... Oh, now it says I didn't vote? But I did a vote on camera, and you guys saw that. This account did not vote for XGov platform due to the reason it is not eligible for rewards. To be eligible for rewards, governor must participate in all the votes during each 3-month period. Read our fact. So last time I actually came here to check where my rewards were, it said the 5,000 wasn't committed at the, during the entire length, or I dipped below the committed Algo threshold. But now it's telling me that I didn't vote in the eligible vote, but you saw me do it on video. I don't even know if I can reach out to anyone. So I don't feel as stupid as I was feeling 2 minutes ago, but this is really intriguing because I'm just going to repeat myself again. You guys saw me do it on video because I was showing you how to do it. I'm going to have to go back and rewatch it too. There was no errors or anything like that. It said you're committed and locked in, but maybe I'll submit that to them and they will see. But this is where I'm stupid. So we're going to change to period number 3. This is the active period, and I had completely forgotten to commit my Algo. Completely. So we all know that I got the ban, and then I went on the vacation, and the time to do that, to commit, was up until April 14th. So I had from March 31st to April 14th. And subscribers even told me to, the new period is open to vote, or open to register, to commit, and blah, 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 and I still didn't do it. So, yeah, for someone that's so enthusiastic about Algorand, I really missed the point. So I'm going to be missing out on rewards now for 2 sessions in a row, which I don't understand. But yeah, so as of right now, there's 3.9 billion Algo staked, 70.5 million Algo in rewards. Congratulations, guys, you're going to get some. And 58,000 governors. There would have been 58,001 governor if I wasn't so stupid. But that's just the way the cookie crumbles. And so also it's good to remind you, because now that I don't really have a dog in this fight, I do want to continue to do Algorand content, so maybe we'll look at some other platforms, but there's really no need for me to focus here. I will do a voting session for this, so the upcoming votes, I'll do a video on that, but you have 7 days and 21 hours and 20 minutes until you are able to vote for the period 3 voters session number 1. So that's good to know. If you guys have your stuff staked, you have a week, 8 days until you have to vote, and you have from April 30th to May 14th to cast that vote. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Feel free to make fun of me in the comments below. I certainly do deserve it, especially being such a fan of Algo and dropping the ball this bad. I feel bad about it, but like I said, make fun of me in the comments below. We got to definitely make sure that we stay focused and not miss any more potential. I mean, I'm just throwing money out the window at this point and, not working or anything like that. I could have used every Algo and every drop and finance available to me. But it is what it is. And I feel really, really, really stupid. And now I'm just going to go on a self-humiliating rant here. But anyway, like I said, hopefully you guys will pop up in Vegas. We'll be there tomorrow around 8 p.m. Vegas time. But we have a lot of plans for Saturday evening, so I won't be able to meet anybody tomorrow. But Sunday, I'm pretty free for most of the day. If anyone wants to, pop by and say hi, or I'll be at NAB 2020, just kind of hanging out and getting a lay of the land. So it'll be really, really cool to meet some of you guys out there. I know that we wanted to do like a West Coast meetup when we hit 25,000 channel subscribers, and we're I think at like 22,000. So this is kind of going to be like an unofficial one. We did buy a brand new gaming laptop so that way we could provide coverage and stream, and follow us on Twitch TV, twitch.tv/nerdydudestuff1 if you want to watch gaming content, but also do streams for our YouTube channel and for videos while I'm out there, because I still want to keep bringing you guys content. So, and speaking of content, stuff that we're going to be covering and looking out for, I'm going to give you guys a quick little hint now. So I posted this during pre-sale in the Discord, which is really important if you guys follow us on the Discord. Link for that is in the description. And I'm not going to be breaking this down or anything today. I just jumped into a 100 days venture. This, you can see right here during the pre-sale, I was able to get 15,750 tokens. So this we will be talking about. I did like what I saw. I've liked some of the stuff that I've researched and some of the videos. Like this guy, I've watched some of his stuff to get updated on it. So this is going to be the next thing that we're jumping into. And I'll probably bring you a video on this either Sunday or Tuesday, based on my availability while I'm out in Vegas. So that's going to do it for today. If you haven't, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Turn on the bell notification, like this video, maybe join as a channel member, follow us over on Twitch, all that shameful plugging that we all do to build that community. All the good YouTube stuff. I'm O'Prius. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, hey guys. We also stream over on Twitch, so if you want to hang out and join us, link in the description. You can follow us, twitch.tv/nerdydudestuff1. Really love to see you guys over there. And also other social media information is in the description of this video. So we'll see you guys next time.